Wait until you see how this simple typography trick can transform your designs into something truly mind-blowing. Illustrator Handception. Typography tutorial for mind-blowing designs. I am Humaira Laique. And my channel name is HLGRAPHICS. So let's begin. The font I have chosen is called Luckiest Guy font. 100% free font. First, I took a hand sketch that I downloaded from Google, brought it to Illustrator and locked its layer. Now I will draw this hand sketch by myself with the help of pen tool. Here I will use different colors so that you can clearly see what I am doing. The pen tool in Adobe Illustrator is an essential feature for creating precise and customizable vector paths. It allows users to draw with accuracy, making it ideal for designing complex shapes, curves, and straight lines. Despite its versatility, the pen tool is user-friendly, giving designers control over each anchor point and path segment. With practice, it simplifies the process of creating smooth, detailed illustrations and is a go-to tool for anyone looking to refine their vector artwork. So now that the pen tool is done here, we'll change the stroke to a fill and delete the sketch below. If your image has any imperfections or edges, fix it with the smooth tool. Now take a duplicate copy of this hand image, which is of red color, which we will color black. And we will lock the red color image. And now we'll start the actual work with this black image. The phrase I use for typography is, "Keep it silly." I have already told you the name of the font, it is a completely free font. Create outlines of the text and then ungroup all the alphabets separately. The alphabets will spread out wherever we need to put them. Now with the help of knife tool we will cut this hand sketch into 11 pieces because the number of alphabets we have is also 11. If you use any other phrase, you will divide it accordingly. Now place one alphabet under each piece. Set it. After that we will use envelope. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like my work. Go to Object. Below is written Envelope Distort. Click it. Some options will open in front of you, out of which choose the third option. What is written? Make with top object. In the same way, alternately place an alphabet under each piece and click on the Make with top object. In this way all the alphabets will be placed inside the image. Please watch the video very carefully and see how I use the different pieces to line them up so you can do the same so that your alphabet is pasted straight on top of it. Using the Make with top object option in envelope distortion in Adobe Illustrator offers several advantages. Custom shapes. It allows you to mold text or other objects into a custom shape, giving your design a unique and tailored look. Precision and control. You have precise control over how the distortion occurs, ensuring that the text or object fits perfectly within the boundaries of the top object. Versatility. It's a versatile tool for creating logos, labels, and other designs where you want text or graphics to conform to a specific shape, enhancing the overall aesthetic. Non-destructive editing. The original object remains intact, allowing for easy adjustments or modifications to the distortion effect later on. Enhanced creativity. This feature encourages creative exploration, enabling you to experiment with various shapes and forms, leading to innovative design outcomes. Here our work is complete. But you can see that some alphabets are not fitting us in the right place and the shape of the hand is also not being completed, so for this we have to put a little more effort. Here we use the direct selection tool. It can be tweaked a lot with usage, so check out how I'm doing it. I'll keep tweaking it until I'm satisfied. This type of typography takes a lot of work. And it takes a lot of time. So do everything calmly. I am showing you a very quick video. But I am showing you some steps slowly so that you can understand. So, watch the entire video so that you will understand the work. Typography is my passion. I have made many videos on it. Another channel of mine. 123 Graphics. You can see t-shirt designing and typography work on it. You will find many videos on it. I have done typography differently. Please watch this channel. When you look at it closely, you will see many flaws in your work. It will take you a long time to get it right. But it is important that you make it work. Nothing will be good until you work hard. Unlock the secrets of stunning typography with our mind-blowing tutorial on Adobe Illustrator. In this video, we dive deep into the art of creating crazy typography designs that will leave your audience in awe. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, this step-by-step guide will equip you with the tools and techniques to elevate your design game. Join us as we explore innovative methods to manipulate text and shapes, creating eye-catching compositions that stand out. We'll cover everything from font selection and layering to advanced effects that will transform your typography into a work of art. If you have any questions about my work, please ask me. I will be very happy to answer you. There are also links to many videos in the description box below. And what type of videos I make is also written. You must have seen many people's typography videos, so please let me know about my work. If you like something in it, let me know, and if you don't like something, let me know if there is any problem. No, I would like you to tell me about my mistakes. Please try the same way, take another word of typography or take another image and make it with the pen tool and complete your entire video or work with the same method. Will definitely tell me about it. Let's go, sir. Now the work is going to end, our design is going to be completed. I want you to do something like this and take another sentence, take another image, and in the same way, you an image. Create and display a great typography. You will definitely let me know about it. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to craft insane designs that showcase your unique style and creativity. Perfect for graphic designers, illustrators, and anyone looking to add a splash of excitement to their projects. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more awesome design tutorials. Get ready to impress with your new typography skills.